place I like to visit during the holidays, I think Jaffna is a marvelous place to visit. It is located in the northern province, along the coastal belt. Tamils call Jaffna Yalpanam. Jaffna is famous for palmyra trees. I like eating jaggery made from palmyra. The northern sea is gorgeous, with an attractive blue color. I enjoy swimming and bathing in the sea. I have also heard about the marvelous Casuarina beach in Jaffna. The ancient Jaffna fort, once ruled by the Portuguese and the Dutch, is located in the southern part of the Jaffna Peninsula. I read in a newspaper that there are about 100,000 books in the Jaffna Public Library. I would love to visit the world-famous Nallur Koval, dedicated to Lord Morgan. I also want to visit the Nagyalswaram Koval. I wish to visit Nagadipa, a sacred Buddhist temple and one of the holiest Buddhist shrines. The Nalavarai well in Jaffna is famous for its underground water that never dries up. I would also like to see the statue of King Kankili II riding his horse. Many foreigners, as well as locals, visit Jaffna. I am also planning to visit Jaffna during the school holidays.